Opening a trade in FTT mode. Once you select an asset, you'll see the current price on the right side of the chart that's constantly changing. When we open a trade, the current price becomes our main reference point. Let's call it the opening point of the trade. In order to open a trade, you need to take 3 steps. Choose the trade amount. Set the time after which the trade will close, then select the direction, up or down. As an example, let's open an up trade with $100 for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is the recommended trade duration for all beginners. After opening the up trade, we have 3 possible outcomes. The first outcome: in 5 minutes the price will be above the opening point. The trade will close with a profit even if the price movement was minimal. We know the amount of profit in advance as it is displayed next to the name of the asset. In our case, it's 82%. This means that on a $100 trade, our net profit will be $82, and our total profit will amount to $182. The second outcome: in 5 minutes the price will be below the opening point. Our forecast was incorrect. In this case, the loss will be the amount of our trade of $100. The third outcome: the price may not change during the selected 5 minutes. In this case, we will not earn anything, but we will not lose anything either, because the $100 returns to the deposit balance.